Right.
Okay. 안녕하세요. 반갑습니다. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. So welcome to our online review as part of our commitment to our students. No? So we're going to make this Facebook group active as much as we can, no? For you to have your reference and also learning materials for the upcoming EPS topic exam. All right. So anyway, before we start, no, I'm going to introduce myself. I'm Sir Aljon or Aljon Sonsengnim, you can call me. I'm the co-founder of Joines Sonsengnim or Ma'am Joines here in Haneza Tutorial Center. So I'm here also to share my knowledge or experiences no, during the exam. Since I passed the EPS topic exam twice. No? First, it was 2014. No? I mean 2017, KLT 14. No? Magkabatch kami ni Ma'am Joines. And recent lang, the EPS topic KLT 17. No? I took the exam sa Southwestern University. Right. So if you have any questions, concern, or clarifications about this topic that I'm going to share, you can type your comments comment section. Okay, sejak aja, let's start. Yan. All right, so in this video, I'm going to discuss a very important topic. No, this is actually included sa mga EPS topic exams. No, based on our experiences. So first is the prohibition or the kumji. Okay, and then also the similar ending statement. This is actually same lang with this ending sa taas, but this is or the similar ending statement. This is naka-specified lang. All right, so prohibition expresses prohibition or limitation of a particular action of the listener. So it also can represent social conventions or common sense dictating that the behavior or state is prohibited or not tolerated. So from the word prohibited, no, or prohibition and not tolerated. So it means sa South Korea there are some places, no, particularly sa mga public places that you cannot do a certain action. So it means bawal, no? So in other words, this ending is ginagamit sa mga signages. Okay, so again, no, part of the EPS topic exam or one question of the EPS topic exam is about signages, di ba? So aside from graphs, fill in the blanks, pictures, no? Isang type ng question sa EPS topic exam is actually signages. So this is actually included, no, this one. So again, prohibition or kumji. Ayan. So what are the examples of this prohibition? Ayan. So I'm going to show you this one. So first example here is this signage. No? So as you can see, this is Hengdan Kumji. Ayan. So Hengdan Kumji, it means you cannot cross. So usually saan mo ba nakita itong signage nito? Alright, so sa mga public roads, di ba? Or mga highways. So again, no? Sa South Korea, you need to abide, no? We need to abide the law since we're there just to work, no? So again, you need to abide the laws in South Korea. Okay, so other example here, we have this one. So as you can see, we have a car and then may naka X or may naka red line, no? So it means you cannot park a car, no? So in Korean terms, this is actually 주차 금지. Okay, so again, 주차 kumji. So this is actually ito yung lumabas during my recent exam, no? This one. So again, it's very important to familiarize these terms, no? Kumji. Right? So let's go back. And so on the other hand, we have here the similar ending statement. So we have verb plus umyon or myon and tuida. So again, no, this is actually similar lang with this term kumji, but as I mentioned, this is specified lang siya, no? So example of this ending statement is we have this one, no? You can speak in English during class. Again, you can speak in English during class. So 수업 시간에는 영어로 말하면 안 돼요. Okay, again, 수업 시간에는 영어로 말하면 안 돼요. And so let's try to go over with every words, no, or vocabs na ginamit. So first is suop. And so what is suop? All right, so suop means class, no, in Korean. Okay, another is shigan. Yan. So I know you're familiar with this term, no? Shigan. So shigan means time, di ba? So usually ginagamit siya as a part counters, no, or classifiers. And then we have this location, no, location particle. So again, it is very important to attach this location particle if you have a location, no. At the same time, you can also use this with time, no? And then the topic particle noon, so indicating that this one here is our topic, no, in the sentence. And then yungro or yongo. All right, so yongo means okay, English, and then we have this another particle ro. So what is ro? All right, so this is actually related with the location particle, no? This is actually the subparticle of the location particle. So it means direction, no? And at the same time, pwede siya by means of something. All right, so don't forget, no? Ro means a direction or by means of something. And then we have our verb stem na ginamit. We have malhada. All right, so malhada. So what is malhada? All right, so malhada means to speak or talk. Diba? And then we have this ending statement, myon and deo. All right, suop shiganinen yung ro malhamyon and deo. Okay, so anyway, before we go over with the conjugated form, so conjugated form means ginawa ko na siyang simplified, no, for you to understand well this ending statement. So let's try to dissect ng muna, no, every terms or every vocabs na ginamit in this ending statement. All right, so first is umyon or myon. So what do we mean by this term, no, myon or umyon? All right, so myon or umyon means if, no, in Korean. So this is actually a connecting, no, connecting particles. So when you say connecting particles, it connects the two statements. All right, so first statement here, all right, this one, suop shiganinun yung ro mal. And then other statement, we have this one, no, negative statement andeo. So it connects this one, no, myon or umyon means if it connects the two statements, no. Okay, next is this one, an-twida. So this is the dictionary form of this verb, no, na ginamit natin. So an means, since we added this simple negation, so this verb here becomes a negative statement. Right? So an-twida. So when we say twida, no, in Korean, what does it mean? All right, so twida means to be. Right? So but since we added this ending here or this an, so this statement or this verb becomes a negative statement. So this is a part of the simple negation, diba? Right? So again, verb. Yeah, so our verb stem and then this ending, umyon, hormyon, and vida. So again, conjugated form. So this is the itsura, no, kung paano siya gamitin into a statement or a sentence. So for vowel ending verb, so ibig sabihin in this ending, we need to consider kung vowel or consonant ending si verb. All right? So vowel ending verbs, we're going to add myon and tueyo. So this is under the IP or informal polite. Okay? So under the formal polite form, and so we're going to add lang myon and tuimnida. So as we all know, no, tuimnida, this is the formal polite form of this verb here, no, tueyo. So you just need to review your conjugation rules lang, no. So again, vowel ending verb. So it means pag si verb ends with a vowel, so we're going to add this myon and tueyo under the informal polite form, then myon and tuimnida under the formal polite form. All right, so next is for the consonant ending verb naman, we're going to use umyon. And so based sa rules, no, based sa considerations ni myon and umyon. So pag consonant ending verb, we need to add umyon. Umyon. Yan. So umyon and deo. So this is under the informal polite form since it ends with iyo, no? Okay, for the formal polite form, we have umyon and tuimnida. All right, so again, vowel ending verb, myon, consonant ending verb, umyon. Okay, so let's proceed with the example. So I'm going to discuss this one. So I have an example here. To light. So this is basically to smoke, no? So to light or to smoke, we have here the verb stem piuda. And piuda. All right, so as we all know, no, kapag si verb ends with the, so it means under the dictionary form. No? So dictionary form means you cannot use this verb into a statement or sentence. So that's why we need to conjugate this verb. Right now, going back to the first rule of conjugation. Right. So first rule of conjugation is we need to remove the last syllable. No, this one the. Since this is under the dictionary form. Right. So first is remove this one the. Okay. Next is yes, on E1 you have the verb pu. And so again, E1 you have the verb pu. And then going back some considerations, vowel ending verb, consonant ending verb. So for this one, for this verb, we have a vowel ending verb. No, this one we have u. So we're going to add myon, an, tuyo. Okay, so formal polite form myon, an, tuyumnida. Right, so piu plus myon, an, tuyumnida. So you have this. So we come up with this statement: piu myon, an, tuyumnida. Piu myon, an, tuyumnida. So it means from the dictionary form, no, verb stem to light or smoke, plain verb lang, and then we added this ending myon and nida or myon and nida, so naging prohibition na siya. So it means you cannot smoke, right? So this is actually this specific term or specific statement for this one. For no smoking, no smoking in Korean is actually kumyon. Okay. So again, no, it's very important to memorize these terms. Take note of this term, kumji. Kumji in Korean is prohibition. So there are some questions in the EPS topic exam na always included yung mga ganyan, no? Especially kapag sa mga signages. So again, please, no, familiarize or memorize these terms. And also, and don't forget, other similar ending, similar with this one, kumji is the verb plus myon or umyon an tuimnida or an tuyo. All right, so I think that's it now for this video. So again, if you have any concern, any questions, you can actually write your comment sa comment section. So see you on our next video. All right, so 시간을 주셔서 고맙습니다.